Hey Mitchell, it's a great day here at Jimmy Britt Chevrolet. I just wanted to show you a quick video of the 2015 Chevy Silverado. As you can see, Mitchell, this is a beautiful truck. It's got about 17,000 miles on it. It's clean, we got it up front. Thought this would be a nice choice for you. This is 8164 Alpha. Gray exterior. Beautiful honeycomb front grille. I absolutely love it. Wonderful tread on the tires. Of course, you get your steps. Sorry about it being bumpy. It's a little rugged out here. Get your easy lift gate and release. You definitely add a bed liner if you wanted it. Going into the rear, plenty of space back here. Of course, you got your WeatherTech heavier duty floor mats, power outlet. The middle does fold down. Of course, your seats fold up too for storage. Step up here. Sure. Information center. You do have a screen and a rear view camera. Sirius XM radio. OnStar navigation, Pandora. See the interior, it's gray. Get your wireless charging station here as well. Alright Mitchell, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me see if this is something you like, or if you'd like to see something else. Give me a heads up, 706-453-2500. I look forward to working with you.